Just in Matchbox 2019. Yes, it's our case, the final case of the year. Hard to believe, but this is it. And I've been told this is why we do this. So let's get to it. Let's open this bad boy up, see what we got. Get a little top-down view. What's in the case? Start up top, 3x3. Open up with the drill digger, which I think they've done that Tampa a few times. And we've got the 57 GMC step side. That's a great casting, one of my favorites. There's another 57 GMC, followed up by 06 Crown Victoria. Pretty nice. And they've got a recolor of the 63 Healy. Looks like a light blue kind of color. And the 55 GMC Scenic Cruiser's back. New recolor. Followed up by the 62 Beetle in red this time. We've got 2016 Ford Interceptor Utility. Looks like it's a Fire Chief Tampo on it. And then we got the 4x4 Matchbox in the silver color. From there we got the Polaris Slingshot. Interesting new casting. Looks like it's all metal there. Pretty cool. You get two of those. And you got the International Scout. I think we've seen that Tampo before. Maybe it was the 60th Matchbox, I can't recall. I don't know if that's exactly the same or not. We got another Scout, followed up by the Man GTS. Looks like the bucket is gonna move up and down on this. Followed up by the GMC school bus. Good to see that casting back again. Then we've got the Skyjacker F350 again. That looks like a similar Tampo of a couple years ago. I don't know if that's any different or not. Get two of those. Then you got the 95 Subaru SVX. A lot of people have been waiting for this one. Beautiful casting. Love the gold, the silver 5-spoke rims on it. Awesome car. The final three. Got the 68 Dodge D-200. Monster casting. Looks like it's all metal except for the plastic base. Another awesome casting. Got the backhoe again, and then another Subaru. And that's gonna complete the case. Beautiful stuff, man. I got an idea. Let's pop one of these bad boys open and see what it looks like. Great casting. Let's open up one of the Dodges as well. See what that looks like. This thing is just massive. Great looking truck. All right, guys, there it is. Matchbox 2019 R case, final case of the year. Thanks for watching.